Hello everybody. Had a incident with the jumbo dial thermometer. Had a fall and the lens broke, so gotta see about fixing that. Alright, I've made some progress. Had to take a screwdriver and pry the staple apart, and then there I can separate the band so I can get the replacement lens in. So I'm going to get my parts thermometer and do the same thing. So this one's got a better ring on it, this parts one, so we'll separate this staple like I did on the other one. There it goes. And finish the job with the needle nose pliers. There it goes. That one's a little stubborn. Was on the other one as well. I'll get it. Alrighty. Let's see if this will be enough. Yep. Perfect. Ha-ha! That ought to work. Now the fun part will be getting this back together. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Looks better already. One side's not quite wanting to line up. See if we could remedy that just a little bit there. It's going now. Fantastic. Got that back together. Bend my staple back down. Very good. We're back in business. Looking much better. So of course the final touch is going to be to polish that up with the Novus a little bit. Shouldn't take too much. And that looks almost good as new. So I got good mounting tabs once again, so I can go out there and put this back up. Don't know how old that is, but it's been around a while. So go see how it looks back up on the patio. Like nothing ever happened. So once again, that's been a repair of the patio thermometer. Thank you for watching.